Hello and welcome back. So there in this class I'm just going to teach you some more things about the Bootstrap. I'm just creating the pre-tag. If you know about the pre-tag already, that will be really good. Actually, HTML ignores the white spaces and extra line breaks. Okay, I'm just showing the example. For example, you type the here before the pre-tag. I'm just putting a p-tag. Before pre I'm putting the p-tag. Okay, so there I'm just typing this is now one space 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is three spaces new, and then I'm putting some inters, some line breaks without mentioning the br. Okay, now there I'm just typing new paragraph. Okay, save and go to the browser, and let's just check what you did there. Okay, so refresh. Now you can see that this is a new paragraph. There isn't any extra line space, white space or line break. You can see that. But if you just put the same thing inside the pre-tag, then what will happen? Actually, I'm just copying the both things here, the p-tag and the pre-tag in the old .html. Just after the Bootstrap, I'm just pasting these and then going to the browser and refreshing that. This is a new paragraph is same, but this is now there are the extra spaces again and then line breaks. You can see that actually the pre-tags forced browsers to put the line spaces and white spaces as you given. Okay, but what's new in the Bootstrap? Refresh that. Now you can see that Bootstrap has a specific style, the silver color, the white silver color, and a specific border. This is new in the pre-tag with Bootstrap. The other thing I'm just going to teach you is the DL detail, or actually the definition and description tag, DL. Okay, and going inside the DT. Okay, duplicate there, DD and DD again. Okay, on the DT what I'm just putting is actually the heading. I'm just typing the mobile, and there I'm just typing that mobile is really important nowadays. I can type anything, whatever I prefer. Okay, then again I'm just putting another DT here. You can see that DT cover and go inside this DT, and oh, wait for a while. Yes, now there internet. Okay, duplicate and DD and then DD. Internet is the best source to get informed about anything you need to know, whatever we type. Okay, now I'm just simply copying this DL tag and with its child and pasting in the index.html page as well. Now refresh the browser. You can see that this is the old DL tag in the old .html without Bootstrap. Okay, going to the learn the index.html and refreshing this. Now you can see that it's the new way. It has no extra space, as it has, you can see that it has a lot of extra spaces, but it has not. Okay, wait now, but the interesting thing is the DT is just like the heading and the text is just like the paragraph, but we can do one thing: add in space and add a hyphen in this way. Oh, there it should be. Save and refresh. This is looking more interesting. So I hope you understood about the DT difference, the DT and DL and DD difference between the Bootstrap and without Bootstrap. Now we should learn some more things about the text styles. So after the DL, we don't need to work out anymore on the old .html, because this is the time to start learning the Bootstrap classes. Okay, so there I'm just creating the p tag instead of the div tag. I should create the p tag because definitely we are talking about the text again. So there I'm just typing this is the new paragraph. I can type anything, whatever I prefer. Here adding a class text. Now actually, which style do you want? I'm just typing text danger. The mean of danger is red color text. You can see that it has a red color, looking perfect. Now duplicate that, then just type text primary, save and refresh. Now you can see that this is a primary effect. Duplicate and type the text info. This is the info style. You can see that this is the info style. Duplicate that once again and type success. You can understand that the success meaning green color which is there. Okay, duplicate it again and type warning here. Warning. Save and refresh. Now this is a warning effect which is actually just like the brown, light brown color. Duplicate that and just type muted text. Muted. Refresh. Now you can see that the muted text here. So actually the danger, primary, info, success and warning, or the theme colors of the Bootstrap, we will use the danger, primary, info, success and warning multiple times, but definitely we have to remove the text. Then we will use whatever we want, just like panel primary, BG primary, or whatever. But the primary color means actually the sharp blue, and the info means light blue, the success means green, the warning means light brown, muted is only for the text, so definitely it's just the gray color, the muted text. The danger means red color. Okay, now if you just want to apply the background as well, so let's just add another classes, bg danger, save and refresh. Now you can see that it has a danger, the background of red color. Actually the background color and the color are in the contrast, mean that the background is little light and the front color is dark. We can use the primary as well. I'm just showing you primary. Instead of primary, why not I just use the info, save and refresh. Now you can see that I applied the info as well. I can apply any style anywhere, but the problem is that this contrastment is not in the matching, so we should use the danger as the text danger with the BG danger, then the BG primary, okay, then the BG info, BG success. I hope this is really easy for you to understand. Warning, save. And as I said that we have no extra style for muted text, we can't use the BG muted or whatever. So go to the browser and refresh that. Now you can see that every text has a background as well, but for the primary you can see that why I didn't use the primary there, because the primary is special for adding the white color in itself, because it's impossible to contrast the sharp blue to the light blue or dark blue. Only white color matches with any sharp color, you know that. So definitely we've done all that things, but there is something more to learn for you. But before going down, I just want to teach you some more things. Here, if I just add the small tag inside the heading, the interesting thing I'm just going to teach you, I'm just typing first heading. Okay, now simply copy this first heading. I'm just copying this one, paste there, there, and this. Okay, add space, and then the second, the third, oh, spelling should be correct, the fourth. Okay, save and go to the browser and refresh that. Now you can see that the gray color with the small size, it is the interesting thing and the feature of the Bootstrap. We can add the small tag and it is just like the subheading, okay, or actually subtitle, whatever you want to say, you can say this. So now I'm just going down and actually I'm just adding some more p tags, duplicating this, okay, pressing some enters, and now I'm removing the muted text, or instead of removing the muted text, I'm just adding the class of lead. What the lead class can do, refresh. Now you can see that this is a new paragraph with the muted text, but the size is increased, which means the lead is actually increasing the size. And I'm duplicating this again, and there I'm just typing a small, well, small. I'm just clearing you one thing, that if you're just putting two classes, then a single space must be required. Refresh that. Now you can see that this is the new paragraph which is in a small mode just because the small class. Duplicate this, and then here I'm just adding some more things.